What if a school was more than just classrooms and corridors? What if it was the place where curiosity is celebrated, questions are welcomed, and learning feels meaningful?
Welcome to a school where pedagogy is purposeful, learning goes beyond rote answers, and the focus is only and only on understanding, application, growth, which nurtures thinkers, problem solvers, and confident communicators. At the heart of MRIS 21C, our classrooms thrive with experiential learning. Students explore, they experiment, they reflect and connect ideas to the real world. Through project-based learning, they collaborate, they research, they create and present something which is relevant and engaging. Our hands-on approach brings subjects alive, while personalized pathways ensure that every child thrives. Academic Assistance Program supports learners who need guidance, and Academic Excellence classes, they challenge students who need to go further and soar high. What is the result? The result is happy and confident children who love coming to school.